Today we are going to be tasting La Tourangelle organic olive oil from Spain. At La Tourangelle, we bring our family expertise and craftsmanship to oil making using traditional French techniques to produce delicious artisan oils in California. So the oil is produced in California, it is a product of Spain, and they use French techniques. Bold and aromatic flavor, we're going to be checking on that today. Cold pressed, sodium free, vegan, and it also says here that it contains an average of 8 grams of omega-9 per serving. Well, that's nice actually. Bright, peppery finish. We'll see about that. Okay, time to taste it. For the purpose of this tasting, I'm going to be using the whitest, most tasteless bread that I could possibly find. I use a bread like this lightly toasted because it helps to bring out the flavor of the fat without adding much flavor or overwhelming the flavor of the fat. Break it apart, stick it in the toaster. I guess I have to plug the toaster in first. While we're waiting, let's pop it open. I'm just going to give it a little taste with my finger first. It does have a very bright front end flavor. The first thing you taste is the green of the olive. I really want you to see this color. This is a beautiful color for olive oil. Very good flavor. Very slight bitterness and a peppery finish. I can feel the peppery finish at the back of my mouth. Let's try a little more. Take a look at that. So good. If you really like the taste of olive oil, you're going to like the taste of this. I'm really happy that I bought it. I'm happy that I was able to show it to you today. Now, if you like this video, what I want you to do is I want you to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe, and even if you didn't like the video, what I want you to do is have a nice day, nice week, nice year. I want you to have a nice life.